Okay? So review on thermodynamic processes and cycles, no? Okay? So ano nga ba ang thermodynamic process? Is a change in the thermodynamic state of a system from an initial state to a final state. Okay? This change involves alterations in one or more of the system's thermodynamic properties. So, hindi siya nagkaroon ng process kung ang isa sa mga ito ay hindi nabago. One or more, no? Okay? So, we have the temperature, pressure, volume, internal energy, enthalpy, and entropy. Yan. So, we have a PV diagram ng compression process dito. So, masasabi natin na ito ay process kasi nga, ito yung state 1 natin, initial state, mayroong nabagong property sa kanya. Okay, that is volume. Okay, ano pa? Yung pressure kasi natin is tumaas. So, that is a process. Yan. Okay. So, meron naman tayong non-flow, tinatawag na non-flow, tsaka steady flow. So, unahin natin ang non-flow. A non-flow process refers to a thermodynamic process that occurs within a closed system. Okay, so take note of the word na closed system. This means that there is no mass entering or leaving the system during the process. So, during the process daw, walang pumasok or lumabas na mass. The quantity of matter within the system's boundaries remains constant. Okay? So, meron tayong example dito. Compression and power stroke in ICE. Okay? So, during these processes, so walang nag-exit na mass or pumasok na mass. Kasi nga, during compression and power stroke, yung mga valves natin, okay, itong valves natin na dalawa, ito, ay close. Okay. Pero during intake, tsaka exhaust, hindi na siya non-flow kasi meron ng pumapasok tsaka lumalabas. Okay? Ayan. So, sa steady flow naman, the fluid properties within the control volume remain constant over time. Okay? This means that at any given point within the control volume, the pressure, temperature, and velocity of the fluid do not change with time. Or the mass flow rate of the fluid entering and leaving the volume is also constant. Okay, ang mga applications na niya ay turbines, compressors, pumps, heat exchangers, nozzles, and diffusers. Take note of sa compressor, yung binabanggit na compressor dito, yung for example, yung centrifugal, okay, yung mga yon. Excluded dito ang reciprocating kasi merong process doon sa reciprocating na constant yung constant. Kumbaga merong process doon banda sa cycle na yon na no mass transfer pero okay. So yung pinag-uusapan dito sa compressor ay yung mga axial, mga ganon, yung blower, for example, yung blower. Okay? O yan, para mas maintindihan, during a steady flow process, sabi niya, the fluid properties within the control volume may change with position but not with time. Okay? So kung mapapansin natin dito, at 1 PM, ito yung temperature sa bawat sa iba't ibang points, no? Then pagdating naman ng 3 PM, so ganun pa rin. Okay? And then meron kang mass in and mass out in which yung constant yung mass flow rate ng in and then yung mass flow rate ng out. Hindi nagbabago yung mass flow rate in tsaka mass flow rate ng out. So yun yung sabi ng steady flow process. Ayan. work of a non-flow process. The work done or on a system during a non-flow process is represented by the area under the curve on a PV diagram. Okay? So for example, ito yung process natin, no? We have state 1 and then ito yung path papunta doon. So yung area under the curve, ito represents the work. Yan. Okay? So yan yung non-flow. Or yung work ng non-flow natin is equal to the area of the shaded region. Paano naman kapag kaya kukunin yung area? Okay? Ayan. So, gawa tayo ng vertical strip dito. Ito yon. Then, yung kanyang base, tawagin natin na differential volume, dB. And then, yung upper part niya, ito is pressure up. And then, yung low, yung sa baba is P low or bottom na lang, bottom. Okay, in which sa PV diagram natin, 0 kasi itong part na ito, no? Yan, pressure is equal to 0 dito, kaya 0 yan. So yung area is equal to the integral ng, kung babalikan natin yung ating integral calculus, okay, yung pagkuha ng area, no? That is equal to ito. Kung mapapansin, this is a rectangle, no? So ano bang area ng rectangle? That is base times height. Okay, ang base natin is dB. And then ang height natin ay yung P up plus P low. Okay, so ang area niya ay P up plus P low then dB. So the work non-flow is equal to the integral ng P dB. Okay, so yan. Then sa steady flow process naman, kung kanina ay under the curve, ito ay behind or sabihin na lang natin na to the left. Okay, yung area naman niya. Yan naman yung kanyang work done. Okay, ayan. And then ito is horizontal strip naman yung kukunin natin. So ang kanyang base ay B right less B left. Okay, and then yung height niya ay dP. Of course, yung B left natin nakasagad dito sa may part na ito. So 0 yan. So mangyayari, ayan. Okay. So take note of the negative sign, So negative yan. Nakalimutan ko na kung paano naging negative to ulit. Balikan ko mamaya kung paano naging negative to. Okay, gets ko na. Pressure dP B right tapos B left tapos dP P up P low. Okay, mamaya na lang. The process equation or yung path, sabihin na lang natin yung path. Ano ba yung equation ng path? So we have P B raised to N is equal to C. If N is equal to 0, then yung process natin ay constant pressure. Okay? If N is equal to 1, constant temperature yung process. Kapag ang N natin is equal to K, so constant entropy. And then kapag ang N natin is infinite or napakalaking number, that is constant volume. Okay? So dapat tandaan natin itong mga to. So actually napag-aralan na natin to sa ating Thermo 1, no? Okay? Ito yung pagkakaiba ng path ng mga processes. Okay? Ayan. Kung mapapansin natin, siguro balikan na lang natin yung ating analytic geometry, no? Kapag ang slope mo ay 0, di ba? Yung line mo ay horizontal. Okay? Kapag ang slope mo naman ay infinite, ang line ay vertical. Di ba? Then kapag ang slope mo naman ay mas malaki, okay, mas matarik din yung line, di ba? Babalikan natin yung analytic geometry or yung algebra natin. So kung mapapansin natin, ang n natin dito is 1. And then ang n naman dito ay k, which is greater than 1. Kung mapapansin, mas matarik siya kumbaga no Ilocano ko man nasangsang at kunada niya nasangsang at. Okay? Or nadirdirraas no pababa. So kapag compression, ang direction natin ay pa right pa left. Okay, pa left. Okay, pa left. Compression to from 1 to 2, 1 to 2, ito compression, kaya lang constant pressure to. Ito constant entropy, constant temperature. Ito of course walang compression dito sa constant volume natin kasi constant yung volume, so hindi ka nag-compress, no? Okay? And then kapag expansion naman, pa right. Pa right. Okay? Ayan. And then yan ay sa ano natin, sa PV diagram. So kapag 1 to 2 compression, 1 to 2 prime expansion, okay, except for N is equal to infinite, B is equal to C, no? Then dito naman sa ating TS diagram, ito yung pagkakaiba ng path ng mga processes na yon. Ayan. So ito is constant temperature. Okay, yung horizontal natin. Kapag pa right, take note na kapag pa right ay heat addition, no? Kapag pa left, heat rejection. Okay? Ganun din dito kay constant volume. Ito. Kapag pa right, heat addition. Kapag pa left na pababa is heat rejection. Okay? Same with constant pressure. Okay? And then, yung ito naman, N is equal to K, vertical lang yan kasi constant entropy. So, no heat added, no heat transfer kapag constant entropy. Ayan. Okay? Then, kung mapapansin natin, mas matarik si constant volume, compare natin kay constant pressure dito sa ating TS diagram. Okay? So, tandaan natin itong mga to. Kung ano yung itsura ng ano yung pagkakaiba ng path ng mga ito sa TS at PV diagram. Kasi mamaya, mag-example tayo ng cycle. Okay? So, paano ba mag-draw ng cycle sa PV and TS diagram?